Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how crucial it is to handle transactions smoothly. Today, we're tackling how to send USDT from Phantom, one of the most popular wallets for managing your digital assets. Whether you're sending funds to a friend, trading, or investing, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and secure. Let's jump right in. First off, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device. It's available on major app stores, and you'll need it updated to the latest version for 2025 features. Make sure you have some USDT in your wallet and the recipient's wallet address ready. Double-checking addresses is key to avoiding costly mistakes. Step 1. Open the Phantom app and log in using your password, PIN, or biometric authentication for added security. Step 2. Once logged in, head to your dashboard and select the Assets tab. Find USDT in your list of holdings. It should be prominently displayed. Step 3. Tap on USDT, then hit the Send button. You'll see a form where you enter the recipient's wallet address. Take a moment to verify it's correct. In 2025, with advanced blockchain tech, errors can still happen. Step 4. Next, input the amount of USDT you want to send. Phantom will show you the estimated network fees. Aim to cover them without overpaying. For Solana-based transactions, which Phantom often uses, fees are usually low. Step 5. Review the transaction summary. This includes the amount, fees, and total cost. If everything looks good, tap Confirm to broadcast the transaction to the blockchain. Step 6. Wait for confirmation. Phantom will notify you once it's done, and you can check the status in your transaction history. Boom! You're all set. A quick tip. Always use a secure network when sending crypto, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your seed phrase. This keeps your funds safe in the evolving crypto landscape of 2025. There you have it, folks. Sending USDT from Phantom is straightforward and empowers you to manage your crypto with confidence. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.